What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. I don't know the thing and I don't know what's a NEWLINK there. And from NEWLINK production and we say attack. So now people, boy, I tell you, back to basic NEWLINK, back to the news NEWLINK. Jano. Well, I was reading this article now, people. Zane, and it's where a female right now, people, so she feel depressed, so she feel traumatized, and she don't know what road to turn on right now, people, after she was RAPE by someone who lived very close to her, just walking distance. Well, people, this female who resides in Jamaica and from Jamaica said she was at home when she see this man who she know very good, you understand, as me tell her live walking distance on her. So she said the man asked her, say, if him can come inside. But she said she know him good and thing. She said yes. She said when the man do come inside, people, first thing the man do is hold her and push the finger so right up on her skirt like that. She said when the man push the finger, people, the finger go right in there. Not joking, me are telling her how she said it. She said when she eased him off, but the man was so strong like a Hercules. So she said she tried and she said, you can't do that. Me never give you permission to do that. Eh? And first of all, you're not evil, you know what I mean? You're not even, me never expect, say, you're not the type of person for me to do them something with. So the man comes up, boom, people, and girt her up wicked to try to like ease him, but so with the way the man strong is like a 10 man a whole are done, people. So the man comes up, boom, ease off our stocking. Then the man comes up, boom, and reach for your tongue, people, and pop it off and drop it. And so the man just comes up, boom, and pull her down, people. And put it upon her, R-A-P-E, right in her house. Then the man make her move. She said, people, she feels so traumatized, so depressed, and she didn't even know if she I go get, you know what I mean, because she was totally wrong to let the man inside of her house, so she not even want to report it, the way how she feel. Very depressed now. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. First of all, me and NEWLINK I say attack for you, boy. You boy who live close by, just walking distance. You boy want hold and cut out that thing of yours. No joke thing about it when NEWLINK attack. But yeah, now people, looking towards and to this female now. Yeah, you agree, so you're wrong to let him in your house, because I don't know for what terms you really that let him on. Not because even if you know him good, because you see the rate of Jamaica run right now. You understand? You can't trust nobody. Not even the mangoes, not even the puss. Zine, but you trust this man and let this man inside of your house. Right? And you see what the man pull off? Because he like to me see people, this man must have pray a long time. And you must know. Or you and this man used to have some like a joke conversation or something, which may be in a stated of the article to the editor. Zine. But there must be some things we're not talking. But in the end, the man's a 100 feet long time and him see it and him grab it and him take it. Wish him wrong. Because him never get permission, as I say, never give permission and him take it. So that's R-A-P-E. But no, you said you feel so shame and depressed. The man live walking distance, right? You never explain if him still in the community. You never explain what go on with him right now or anything. You never explain if you do report him. As we say, you're afraid you don't want to speak out. But you and NEWLINK are going to tell you. Report this matter to the police. You understand? And then, your name tell me say if you can get time, because basically you don't put on nothing upon it in people. No, robbers and them something there. But get a self-check. Go to a medical facility as soon as possible and get yourself checked. Zine, I see this man, people. So me ask her, if this so be the case, because you make me straightforward, you know. If so be the case and a man do that to you, first of all, you should have run out, ball out, scream out after and commit the act there. Zine, I make some nice that the community. I make the people them say, yo, and say the boy this come in and do that. But me have a truthful and realistic people. I don't know why the full reason why she wrote to the editor, wrote to the editor, you know. You don't know. See? And in the end, people, me feel say something alright about this thing. As well she say RAPE and she never give him permission, but me feel say something there behind it. Me feel say something there behind it where she not talk. Me I wonder if this man used to give her money or something, people. You know what? Because you have some woman, you know, me I tell her the truth, you know, and me I be honest too, you know. When me younger, me know some woman people. See? They have some man who look, you know some man with a call them idiot, they're fool. And them man they will come to woman and give woman all of their money just to show them me. Them panty, sorry. Them man they will give woman all of their money just to watch a woman go around there so and go people but him not they close. A true a real thing I tell you now. And the woman take you and laugh off of them but they not see this something there. They not see nothing underneath that. See? It can be like that. Pandemic go on in Jamaica right now, enough money in our work. And there's a lot of resource people we use and try to go around people. See? One of the man we are getting enough work now, you know, because people here still have to chop. Farming still a go on. See? And so can be the case. But to she know what she do, and she know, so the people them know says a man we always a go there before, or a man we always a come in at the yard and reason them know says a man who want to do that. She not go call out to the neighbor them because them know them are going to say, I can't rape and your man always did it. I can't rape because the man always again things. So maybe I will go and your ball out and you know. You get me as a people? Somebody just see some things not add up in there. Honestly, looking back into everything and me I use the NEWLINK brain. And a roaster you can't crow for me now. Oh, you're not crow at night. But me I use the NEWLINK brain. Yeah, the attacking part the people and me I say something alright. Think the viewers and subscribers, because you know we are smart people upon this, you know. We are not fooling, you know. Zine, female, you need to tell the real story. Yeah, but me I work with us, say me let you in your house, me I work with us for now, you know. But still yet, something alright. And me I go work with it, and that's why the boy get the attack. Me I work with that part that we are say. But me know there's another side to this, which you not let out to the editor. Zine. So if you can see this when NEWLINK do, DM me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. Yeah man. And follow it too. And DM me. And somehow me can share the whole story because I know there's something alright. And the people, you know, somebody in the community know what I go on, you know. So you can come so boom and reach to NEWLINK to, you know. DM me too. Yeah. Should I take the money? Something not right now. You not just come in there, small people. Because normally that yes, the man even slap her in her face. No, not like that. And yes, she say no. The man pull off the tongue and pull off the stocking. So something not right. Maybe she try to pull a stunt. She didn't say if I work, she come from, you know, what she doing a tongue and stocking. So she act up herself and look sexy out. And try to get out the man and shoot the man. And take off a local thing. But my boy say, yo, I'm tired of it now. My boy something rise up, sup on him. And he can't control it, and when he rise up people, the whole of the strength coming at him like bull up and kick on and he coming at him. And this side say, no, let go. Everything when game I take back out of you. But still yet, him RAPE, you. And they say wrong because you never give permission, although him I get you out. And still, mankind, on no fear sense. No make no woman trick on no. Tap give woman on the money on not get no pum pum. Tap give woman everything on and I get a pum pum because enough man they are yard and make woman a trick them. Zine, stop it. Stop it. Me never curse no bad word. So anybody ever comment and say me curse bad word, me never curse none. Me say pum pum. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know the thing, come on, you don't know say NEWLINK there now. And we say attack. And thanks for watching. And thanks for the new ones who subscribe. Thanks to the new ones who share and for the older one who share. And thanks to everyone who comment. And thanks to the followers on Instagram. And people, please support the NEWLINK back to school treat. Please do. Because I don't like what I go on. I wonder the people them fail to support the NEWLINK back to school treat. So. We not support it. We not going to stop it though. Because NEWLINK is here for the kids. This is the 3rd year. And we got to do it. And it's going to happen. So NEWLINK back to school treat 2020 in a September. It's on. Even though they support them poor. Yeah man. I get to support them over so. We're good. But respect to the ones who support already. Big up on yourself, enough love and enough respect. And respect to the ones who say NEWLINK, honestly, with a love for be a part where you don't know so nothing now go on. Big up on yourself. Respect for the one them who say the post them where you put up with the back to school treat and make them know it's a legit thing. And them still not support it. Zane, because me I show you people. Me I tell them this, reality. Come so boom. I post a thing with my back to school treat. But I'm a community. I give out something. I want the people them stay so boom. They not check feet. They never comment on it. They never like what. Because they must say what's a NEWLINK a thief, no? Come so boom, I will put in the story a video. For try for just draw the people they know it's a legit thing we are dealing. People them still know. You get me I say? But at the end of the day, man, you all go on, man. So whatever we have on earth, so all of the money we got, the big house, the big cars, we can't care them we do, you know. You know what we care we do? The good what we do in our life. Zine, and that NEWLINK a care with him, and that's why I'm a blessed. So. You hear my voice strong and powerful. Couple days ago, you know how I did feel? Weak out. All of us see me at the vlog, weak out. So I don't even want to fight it. Because God said NEWLINK you have to work. The Almighty said NEWLINK you have to, because a lot of people out there expect you to work. And some people comment and say NEWLINK you look so. But look for me now. The help of Jah. Because we always are the good people. Always. So stand in the good. That's what I got to you. Now I wish bad for you, no? But stay in the good. Zine, support the movement. So now support some people. I'm going to say it already, I'm going to say it again. And see how much time I talk about back to school trip? Because the people them fail to support my thing. The third year this now I do it. And the sponsorship them always low. But I give God thanks for everyone who always support. Zine, and everyone who show them love even though them can't support. A legit thing I deal with. I'm going to put smile on kids' face. A lot of parents right there right now who can't find $1 for buy a school bag, for buy a couple of books, for give them you even though school now open September and them say October could have next year to open. But still at least they can have it and put down. Because nothing now go on. Enough people overseas. And them still a see $1. People with their yard too. And them can't do something. But they fail to do it. Why? So you go man. But big up on yourself people. Don't know so we do that video extra long because I'm telling our summer work people, I'm not plan for talk with me. So I get a story here, I talk about my story, but if the spirit don't hit me and if it add something to it, I just say go. You understand? And I can't help it. So you don't know the thing go. This is NEWLINK on from NEWLINK Production and we say attack. Peace, love and respect. And be good and be great. Support the movement. Attack them.
Hello. How are you? What is your name? Who teach you to dance like that?
Your father can't dance anymore.
Your father? Wow, who's the father?
4 or 5.
Oh, wow. Father dancer. That's it, can dance like that. Yeah, well, you're a winner today, right? And listen, you say on behalf of NEWLINK Production, YouTube, and the team, you understand? We'd like to present this gift to you as a winner. Here you have a nice gift, including a little watch for you to take when you go into school, okay? So, have a great one, okay?
All right.